Hello everybody, welcome to another video. It is a bright and beautiful day and I'm excited to take you on the next journey I have in store for you. So fast food chains in general are very common in North America, very easy access, etc, etc, and we all know the menu quite well, right? But however, I'm in China and let me tell you, the menu is quite a bit different. It's got a bit of an Asian twist to it and I think it's quite fun. So I'm going to take you to two places that are very common, aka KFC and McDonald's, and we're just gonna go and eat and I'm gonna show you what's on the menu and how everything tastes, because I think that that's kind of fun. So let's go to the first location, which is KFC. Can't wait to have dinner. I'm literally starving. So what's kind of interesting about the locations here in China is that actually, like, they'll have two sections. So there's like an outside section that you can get like ice cream and drinks and whatever, and they're all kind of like special flavors. We'll show you that later after we actually eat dinner. And then the inside you'll have all of your other like main foods. But the outsides are always so much fun. Like if you just need to stop quickly for just a drink or an ice cream, that's always where you'll find me. Okay, so all of the food finally came, and I do want to let you guys know that all of our food came to 67 yuan, which is actually about $13.50 Canadian. Normally a meal like this probably would cost over $20 Canadian, so honestly I think it's quite a big win. We ended up getting like two big sandwiches, so we have ourselves some beautiful little chicken, some more chicken, but this time it's strips, a pie, a drink, like just a regular pop, and then this like specialty drink. This is lychee and dragon fruit. And it looks delicious. So first up, I just want to tell you guys about the specialty drink, okay? It's super like lychee flavor and it actually is so good. Sandwich number one. The sandwiches here are quite like hefty. Like this one's like so layered. So you have like bun, cheese, chicken, I think, probably, lettuce, another bun, more meat, some pickle, and then some chipotle sauce. So it's pretty hefty. Let's just try it. The chicken is like super juicy. I think that the chicken in China versus chicken in like North America, it is a little bit different. It just tastes more juicy and kind of more thick. How's yours? It's a mushroom. It's a mushroom? It turns out the other sandwich is a mushroom. It's stuffed with cheese.
Yeah, this is.
Does this taste good?
Yeah.
I like the texture of this chicken so much. Next up is gonna be these like chicken strips. They're just like super fried, you know, but I mean they taste good, they're pretty decent. We don't have sauce, but that's okay, because there's a little bit of sauce on the inside already. Okay, and our next little treasure are these little chicken bits. They just look like smaller versions of the strips, so I mean, yeah, that's literally all they are. But who doesn't love a good popcorn chicken? Okay, and our last little treasure is going to be this little guy. It tastes like red bean and it's quite delicious, and honestly, yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend. So the next mission is ice cream. You know, me and Hannah are quite full now because actually that's a lot of food, but we're committed to making the best video possible for you because we care about you, okay? We're on it. Okay, so we have our first item, which looks like a blizzard. Okay, so they didn't have the matcha ice cream that I wanted, but they do have this chocolate one, and then Hannah got the Oreo one. So let me just try it. It looks like cocoa powder, so I hope it doesn't go down my throat and I just end up coughing. This is awesome. Good job, KFC. I love chocolate. Okay guys, I've just discovered something revolutionary. The cone is literally sugar cookie, okay? Okay, that was a public service announcement. Thank you for tuning in. So the last thing I want to note about KFC is the fact that here the vibe is just different. Like in Canada and the United States, it's very like fast food chain. However, here it's more like a chill place. Like literally, so the one that we just went to is right close to our campus. So it's open 24 hours a day. Okay, last night I went to that KFC at 12 in the morning, okay? Don't ask, it was, I had ice cream. It was just like a need, okay? But can you imagine 12 o'clock at night and it was full, packed of students studying. Hello everybody, we are back at KFC, but this time we are not going to be trying dinner foods. We're going to be trying breakfast food. And I really wanted to focus on making like breakfast and dinner for this one because the breakfast and dinners are so different. So coming to KFC is really nice because it's just like a really quick, easy breakfast. And it's really cool for me because I like to try so many new things, especially if it's like similar to something back home, but it's not. So I'll show you guys what we got today. I got the classic dojiang, which is like a soy milk. I love soy milk, okay? I got a breakfast sandwich just because I wanted to compare a little bit the different breakfast sandwiches from like KFC's or McDonald's back home to here. Also, hash brown, egg tart. Hannah got herself a rice roll, and I'm really stoked to look at like what this actually looks like, as well as a dough stick. So first things first, I'm going to try my dojiang. I hope it's not too hot. Hannah's trying her rice roll. How is it?
Just like it's tuna.
Oh, so there's tuna and cucumber on the inside. It looks really sticky. It's good. I love good bean milk in the morning. I literally will never go back to regular milk. I don't know how much a potato can be different than in Canada, but it tastes about the same to me. Now the lovely main course. It looks like it's literally just like chicken and lettuce. Okay, it literally is just chicken and lettuce, okay? It's really good because it's essentially just like chicken breast, but like it has a really good like teriyaki flavor. Like it's like an Asian flavor of chicken, and the chicken is like decently juicy, I guess. I like this better than sausage from like Tim Hortons or Starbucks. Like sausage, not a big fan of, but like if I could have chicken like this, So the hash brown came to 80 cents Canadian. My dojiang came to $1.40 Canadian. My chicken sandwich, this came to $1.80 Canadian. And then what about my egg tart? Where is that? And the egg tart came to $1. So the pricing here is kind of bomb. Like $1.80 for this chicken sandwich, please. Canada, why are you telling me that I gotta pay $6 for a chicken sandwich? Hannah's trying her dough stick. Is it literally just dough?
Yeah, but it's flavored.
It's flavored? Oh. I don't know how I feel about that.
Really?
I don't know what's with Asia and their egg tarts and why it happened, but I quite enjoy it, and I'm ready to consume it. It's a little bit sweeter than other ones. Let me know, what do you guys think so far of KFC altogether? Because you've seen the dinner and you've also seen the breakfast. What do you think about KFC here? So for the time being, I'm gonna go away, but I'll see you in the next 0.3 seconds. The magic of editing. Hi everybody. Does it look like I'm in front of a restaurant now? No, it doesn't, and I'll tell you why. Because me and Hannah are really tired because today we went to the Great Wall. We decided we're gonna order in our next meal, which is going to be from McDonald's. So you don't get to see the inside of the McDonald's, but I will give you a very good description as to what the menu looks like, and then you'll still see the food. It's gonna be great. So let's pull up this beautiful app, and let's get to ordering some Mai Dang Lao. You can kind of see that they just have like different meals, different kind of meals set up, and the pricing, depending on how many people you have, and then you can order just like sandwiches, drinks, sides, etc., etc. So as we scroll through this, we're just going to show you our ending choices. They have bubble tea. Do we get one? I'll just add it temporarily. Okay, after approximately 5 minutes deliberation, we have decided. I don't know if you guys can even like see this clearly, but okay, I promise you what there is right there is a beautiful taro pie thing. And last year I did eat one of those and it was good, but I want a refresher because it tasted like potatoes and I like those a lot. Okay, now right over here we have a mango, one of the same thing. And then we each got the same meal because it was a really good deal. Like for some reason it was like 15 yuan cheaper. It comes with a burger, some really cool potato fries, some drumsticks, and a Coke. Alright guys, the time has come. It literally took less than half an hour for them to make it and get it over here, okay? Amazing. McDonald's bag unboxing. You heard it here first, folks. Ooh. Beauty. Do you guys see that right now? Oh, hi. What the fuck is this? Is this a straw? They gave us bags for... Literally gave us bags for straws. That's kind of weird. A pineapple pie. the taro pie. We got some chicken drumsticks, if you please. Let's have a first impressions. Starting off good. These ones like looked kind of fancy, okay? Like they look nice. Okay, and more chicken. All right, mukbang time. So we have first the burger, okay? I love how they put like the wrapper like this so it's super easy to just like access it and eat it without getting your hands all over the thing. Do you see how delicious this looks right now? Oh my god. Oh, also, just want to mention, I have a Coke. I would have tried one of their special drinks. Like they have milk tea, like other iced teas, and other kinds of like drinks. I think KFC has more variety, but I would have tried one of the other ones. However, this was a meal and I didn't want to get like Coke plus Hannah's Coke plus another drink. I just don't drink that much, okay? These frisky looking fries. I love them. They taste like curly fries, but like waffled. And a little chicken drumstick thing. I don't know how, but this level of crispiness is a level that like I feel in Canada we don't get with fast food. And they also, it's like spicy on the inside. They like dressed it with spice. Whoa, my mouth's on fire. Oh, it literally says spicy. You shouldn't be surprised, Jen, when you don't read what you're actually ordering. You only look at pictures. Okay, so we have pineapple pie and taro pie, okay? This is it. Do you see it? Yes. And the pineapple one looks approximate. Mango, it says pineapple. It's not mango.
It's in mango on the...
That's what I thought too. Oh my god, that's confusing. This is taro. I know it has something else inside of it. Like it's not just taro. Is it? Ooh, let's have a taste, shall we? I think it tastes good. Yeah. There's like something about it that like, maybe it's the color. Maybe it's the fact that like, I don't know, it's good. It's just not something that I would like go out of my way to go and get. I would get it at a carnival. All right, so this is what the pineapple one looks like on the inside. Ooh, oh, it does smell very strong of pineapple. I have to be honest, I'm not a pineapple flavor person. But this actually is very good for pineapple flavored thing. It does taste very Hawaiian to me. Okay, so that was your guys' kind of introduction to McDonald's dinner here in China. I hope you enjoyed it. There's not like a lot that's different about this McDonald's compared to North America, but I think that like some of it is. Anyway, let's go to the next place. We discovered something amazing, okay? This is KFC's like mother or like sister or something. Like I don't know how they're related, okay? But this is absolutely beautifully fantastic. It is basically a Western, more fancy version of KFC, all right? It's called K Pro, and that is what we're gonna be trying today. It just literally looks so much more healthy and like so much more beautiful. And so, listen, is that lobster right there? Is that a lobster sandwich? Oh, hi. Look, okay, these are like the intense meals. So 60 yuan for a hefty, like you got a salad. Okay, listen, that looks so good. Are you joking me right now? Sandwiches, paninis. Okay, look at these salads. If only you guys could see my face, but I need you to see this entire menu. Whoa. Okay, you got yourself some little chicken wings.
Is that a
desserts?
Crepe cake?
Is that a crepe cake? Oh, what is this? This is guava. Oh no. Okay, so now that we have seen our options, guys, we have to make a choice. They make it so easy to understand. All right, so we ended up ordering this. Actually, hey, look, that's convenient. We ended up ordering this little guy here. So we got this salad, this sandwich. We got one tea and one Coke as well as fries. On the thing, it didn't say that this was like offered, so we don't actually know if we're gonna get these or not. But the place is super nice. Like you guys could see, like the chairs are fancier. There's plants everywhere. Like there's like these beautiful bricks and like whatever's going on. All right, first items have arrived. We have this tea and Coke. Classic, I'm craving it. Okay, this one we don't really know what it is. All we knew that it was tea. All right, and the next item has arrived, okay? How do I feel about these sweet potato fries, you ask? Doesn't really taste like a sweet potato to me. What do you think? It does? These regular fries though, which for some reason they filled half of that one with sweet potato and half of it with regular fries. This is a beauty, okay? Do you guys see this? This massive salad that's like as big as my head? Whoa. Would you believe me if I told you this was KFC? Would you? Tell me the truth. You know what? This chicken is actually good. Their dressing is a little bit sweet. It tastes great. I am very satisfied with this salad. This is the kind of salad that makes me want to eat a salad. So I like it when it has chicken. Fun little story, you guys. I just wanted to go to the bathroom, and so I went to go look at the sink over there because there's just a sink over there, and I thought that the door next to it was a bathroom, but I opened it and it was actually just a cleaning closet. No, I'm gonna lie, this sandwich looks bomb. Okay, guys? Do you guys see how stuffed this guy is? Oh my god. Right? This has shrimp in it, right? Okay, good. I was like, something about this tastes like seafood. It's got some heavy flavor, guys. Like, I don't know what this sauce is, but it's really doing the most. The food so far is doing pretty good, guys. But I'm a little bit concerned about the service because I just didn't understand what was going on. But when you're in China, sometimes that's just the way it is. You just never know what's going on. But as long as you keep on living and you keep on learning, you're advancing your own self, okay? We're all about growth and opportunities on this channel. The next most important step after completing the main part of your meal is to reapply your lipstick, because nothing says you have your life more put together than a good coat of lipstick. Am I right, ladies? Alright, so as we conclude this little meal, I just want to let out my thoughts. The salad was quite good, and I would 10 out of 10 have it again. The sandwich, probably would get rid of the shrimp, but honestly, good quality sandwich. I quite enjoyed it, and yes, I would eat it again. The place is cute. It's worth it. I think so. And it's much better than I think a regular KFC, to be 100% honest with you. Unless what you're craving is just a fried chicken burger. In that case, go to the regular one, I think. You know what this meal has me craving? Ice cream. Okay? And this mall just so happens to have a Dairy Queen. What are the coincidences of that? No, what are the chances of that? So let's go try Dairy Queen. Honestly, I wasn't planning on doing Dairy Queen in this video, but again, the chances just so happen that this is the right opportunity. Let's go try some Dairy Queen ice cream, okay? Okay. Okay, guys, we have made it to Dairy Queen. We do not see blizzards, but we do see desserts. There's hot dogs. There are, it just looks like ice cream, drinks, smoothies, chocolate cake. But what we want is we want ice cream, and we need to compare it to the ice cream they have in Canada, okay? Whoa. Whoa, they do have blizzards. Green tea, red velvet. I wish I caught it on camera, but they did the flippy thing. We just didn't see it, okay? This is the beautiful matcha and red velvet. Awesome blizzard, okay? This is the tiramisu and Oreo blizzard. Do you see that? It looks great. All right, guys, let's give it a shot. I don't know why I love matcha so much. Yo. Dairy Queen in North America has got to step up their game, I'm telling you. Okay, I'm just gonna go and eat this in peace now, but that was, I know it was a quick one, but Dairy Queen Asia, very nice. I like it. Your ice cream's great. Matcha flavor is great. You want me to try yours? Hannah, I would love to. Okay, Hannah's letting me try her tiramisu and Oreo. Tastes like coffee. Okay, yeah, so it was a quick one, but Dairy Queen, good job. I'm very happy with you. I'm very pleased. And I do think that you should influence North America's way of doing things, okay? That's that.